Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. We are blessed and empowered to be creative and to achieve greatness with our brain and 5 fingers. This is why you need to embrace the power of wind, water, and sand in your life. Feel the blessings around you via the existence of the wind, water, and sand our creator Chukwu Okike Abiama uses to sustain all human and also monitors the activities on the earth without a mistake to avoid blacklist after death. We are truly safe and secured here on earth. Today is Orie. Market day in Igbo land. May your day be fruitful. As you go to the market or your workplace, may all your requests be granted. May you have costumers to patronize your business. You will buy and resells according to the market demand. May the wind, water, and sand that sustains all humans guides you and perfect your way of living, Isa. So shall it be. May the wind, water, and sand that monitors all the activities of every humans fight your battles both spiritual and physical and grant you victory always. May the wind, water, and sand that knows heart of every humans grant you inner peace while approaching your creator Chukwu Okike Abiama through them. May the wind, water, and sand that knows all the good things that's suitable with humans' life always grant you good things as a daily gift, Ise. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, aka wind, water, and sand, the blessings of the universe. Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike. By the wind, water, and sand that empowering the activities of the things on earth, I empower all the eatable leaves to be a healer. As you eat any leaf, be healed from any sickness that troubles your entire body, easy, meaning so shall it be.